Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Storage Sense to free up space on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Storage. Now scroll down and click on Storage Sense. Now scroll down and turn on this option Storage Sense. And also guys, clean up recommendations, click on it, select Downloads and Diagnostic Data Viewer database files, then click on cleanup and make sure these are files in your personal download folder. Select this if you like to delete everything. This does not respect your storage sense configuration, so click on cleanup. Also click on continue. That's it. Now close it and restart your PC. So like this guys, you can use storage sense to free up space on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.